The National Security Act, NSA, is a law in India that was first introduced in 1980 to address threats to national security, public order, and essential services. The law allows for preventive detention of individuals who are deemed to be a threat to these areas. The history of the NSA dates back to India's colonial past when the British government enacted the Defence of India Act in 1915 to combat political unrest during World War I. The Act allowed for detention without trial of individuals who were suspected of posing a threat to public safety or the war effort. The Act was repealed in 1937 but was re-enacted in 1939 at the outbreak of World War II. After India gained independence in 1947, the government enacted several laws to deal with internal security challenges, including the Maintenance of Internal Security Act, MISA, in 1971. The MISA allowed for preventive detention of individuals who were deemed to be a threat to public safety, but it was widely criticized for being abused to suppress political opposition. In 1980, the National Security Act was introduced to replace MISA. The NSA allowed for preventive detention for up to 1 year without charge or trial if an individual is considered to be a threat to national security or public order. The law has been amended several times since then to expand its scope and to address concerns about misuse. The NSA is often imposed in cases where the government believes that an individual's activities or statements pose a threat to national security or public order. However, the law has been criticized by human rights groups and activists who argue that it is often used to suppress dissent and silence political opposition. The use of the NSA has been controversial, with concerns about potential misuse and abuse of power.